Welcome to Short Stack Slots. I'm out at High Winds Casino today in Amarillo, Oklahoma. I'm going to be playing a VGT Star Spangled 7s. Normally don't play VGTs, but I'm going to give it a try. We're going to bet the max, which is 3 pieces. I needed that Star Spangled 7 in the middle. Paid us $15 right there. $15. We got a red screen. Oh wow, guys, that just paid us $180. Yeah, it's a good hit. Awesome, $195 altogether. Come on, Star Spangled. Thank you. Alright, now we didn't get anything on the line. It's turned red. Oh man, if that 7 would have lined up. Guys, I'm not real familiar with these patterns, so I can't really explain them to you. I do apologize. I can tell you if it pays, though. We're going to play this down to 200 and take our profit. Alright, that's a blank line, so we got our $3 bet back. There's another one, so we got our bet back again. I'd love to get those 7s. Nothing on that one. Star Spangled. Got enough for a few more spins, guys. $6 return on that one. Last spin, guys. Thank you so much for watching Short Stack Slots. Please subscribe to the channel. Hit that thumbs up button and I'll see you soon.